Just a quick test inside of a van. So obviously I'm just still going to alternate from one mic to the other very clearly on the screen, and again just re-leveled in post, no dynamics, nothing like that. It's just going to be interesting, I think, just to hear, you know, what these sound like tonally inside a vehicle. So this is like a works van type thing, like a crew bus or so. Is it? Would you say, Alistair, a crew bus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the exact thing? Did I get that right? Is it a crew bus?
Yeah, it's with like a compartment in the back for tools and whatnot. Yeah, but it is a crew
A compartment in the back for tools.
Yes.
Should I be in there?
Possibly.
Okay, so it's a crew bus. Exactly, it's a crew bus. And there's a compartment in the back for me, right? So again, I would just have been alternating between both sides here, and obviously I've just centered both of the channels, so there's no hard panning going on as there would be in the recording itself. It's basically dual mono, isn't it? I think that'll probably just about do it, because I'm actually interested as well to see or to hear exactly what this response is going to be like, given that one of these is a true shotgun and the other one's just a cardioid. Actually, when I say true shotgun, I was saying that as if the other one wasn't a true shotgun. I suppose it is, really. However, you could argue that the interference tube on it, and this is if the capsule is actually placed in the base of the tube, which I still haven't checked for, but if it is, then that interference tube's not that long, so as to how much of a shotgun characteristic it'll have, I'm not entirely sure. Saying that, the Pro Plus doesn't have doesn't have a mad long interference tube either. However, it does definitely exhibit the characteristics of a shotgun microphone. Dave, shut your trap, you're boring, get off.